What's going on, you guys? So if you guys watched part 1, you guys would have saw that my brother Jordan just got some Enki NT03s for his Civic Si. I'll have him tell you guys a little bit more about what his plans are going forward with the car. So we got my brother Jordan here. So tell him a little bit what your plans are with the car and like what you decided to end up going with and stuff like that.
I just recently got the BR series coilovers, the same as my brother. After him having them for around a month now, I love how they ride. I think they feel great. So I just decided to send it and get the coilovers. I was gonna get the Epoch Pro kit, but I just decided instead with the fitment that I have, you want to come over and the rear is about a ½ inch or so. Then it's like about an inch and a half. While in the front over here, it's not as bad. It's only around. Like
yeah, that's probably ½ an inch, maybe.
All right, yeah. So with the Epoch Pro kit, I would not have been able to adjust it. Obviously, with lowering springs, it's just
set height.
I didn't want shitty fitment, so I just decided to instead go with the BR series, and hopefully they get me right, get my fitment right.
Now we're gonna unbox the coilovers. He's gonna unbox them right now. First impression to see how they are. I mean, I already know how they look because they're the exact same coilovers that I got for my car. But this is his first time ever getting a set of coilovers for any of his cars. Yeah, you're gonna need to use those box cutters a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Be careful, bro.
So excited to open them.
You want to pull them out of the box, or do you want to just keep them in them for right now? Oh yeah, baby, you got the BC coilover stickers right there. You know it's official.
Oh yeah. All right.
That's probably what? Front right, front left. Which one is that? Front left, yeah.
Check
That's
it out.
so sick.
Hell yeah.
I love the hardware that they provide with these coilovers. It looks so nice.
All right.
That's pretty sick. And then they got the what are these? The aftermarket end links, I think they are. I'm not sure. I'm not great with the names. Alright, you guys, so we just made it back from the alignment shop just now. Pretty much everything is done on the car. The coilovers are thrown on. The alignment's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up washing the car right now because it's filthy from that 8-hour road trip. And then probably go grab some photos. I may bring my car also, that way I can get some rolling shots of his car. And then we'll show you guys what the car looks like. We just made it to the spot where we're gonna grab some videos and photos at. We'll get out right now and we'll get some cinematics of how the car looks.